So here comes my own healthy snack, homemade. You can make yours. Yes, this is actually made with oats. It's a very tasty snack. The main ingredients is oats, dates, cashew nuts, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds. This is a dense snack. No trans fats. They are your worst enemies. The only salt added is the sea salt. No refined table salt. Remember, salt is not your friend. So if you are managing high blood pressure or you are managing diabetes, it's important to be aware of the snacks you take. This is a very healthy one. You can actually have it in the morning. You can put it in your own container and put in the car on your bag. Anytime you feel like you need to take something, let it be food that your body will make use of. You can see that it's a source of healthy fats from the nuts, the pumpkin seeds for your prostate health. It's a source of zinc. This little snack you see here, dried and crispy, is high in protein. It's a source of healthy fats. The big group of vitamins from the oats is a good source of potassium for your blood pressure. Potassium and magnesium. Magnesium from the pumpkin seeds, from the cashews. You can also get the fat from the cashews, the pumpkin seeds, the good fat from the sesame seeds, all in this nut. Look at it. It's very easy. You can make yours at home. Yes, you prepare it and take it instead of those breakfast cereals that cause elevated blood pressure for you. Thus, that can also cause elevated blood sugar for you. Remember, you don't have to overdo it. Look at it. After I frying it, it's very, very small because the moisture is gone. Before frying this, the size was almost as this. Look at it. But after frying, the fat, the oil, the oil is reduced. The water is reduced. All you get is very rich, dry snacks that you can take at any time to boost your health. Remember to take moderately. Sesame seeds, most of the important seeds are contained. You can keep it in a closely tied container to help enjoy your morning cocoa or just enjoy it like that while you're waiting for your main meal. Moderation remains a rule. Chia seeds, flax seeds are also added. You know why? Because of omega-3 fatty acids for your joints. And so those of you who are having arthritis or joint pains, or you want to prevent it by strengthening your bones, omega-3 in your meals, especially as seniors, and snacks such as this will help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. It will help to strengthen your joint health. And that is the essence of adding a few chia seeds and grounded flax. Just a little of the flax. Remember that flax needs water. All of them needs water. And when you take snacks such as this, you need to soak it sometimes in water. You can take it as your breakfast by adding some of it in your boiled water and add a few cocoa, a teaspoon of your bitter cocoa in it to make it something like a smooth paste. Not really smooth, but something like a paste. It's going to give you all the nutrients and all the energy without even spiking your sugar. The date is there with fiber to support your digestive health. That's the work of the chia seeds also and the flax seeds. But you definitely don't have to add much of these seeds, just a little. And remember, whenever you take food such as this, you must follow up with lots of water for best result. Yes, healthy food. You can make it at home. If this is your first time of coming this way, don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell to be notified when the next video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.